This is the AUGO Super Heavy Duty Ratchet Tie-Down Set. This kit includes 4 1.5 inch by 10 foot ratchet straps, S-hooks, ergonomic tightening handles, has a great grip there. The release button's very sturdy. 4 1.5 inch by 17 inch soft loops, and a storage bag. The stitching on these straps is high quality. These have an incredible load capacity of 1,466 pounds. The brake strength is 4,400 pounds. The rubber-coated S-hooks are great at preventing any scratching or scuffing, chipping, or rusting. There's so many uses for these. These universal tie-downs are perfect for towing motorcycles, ATVs, jet skis, golf carts, lumber, sports equipment, whatever you can think of. They're safe, secure, reliable. The next time I use these, I will definitely have peace of mind knowing that I can trust the quality of these tie-down straps.